Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. Happy Friday. What's good, everybody? What's up? What is up? Welcome back. Welcome back, chat. Welcome back, chat. What's up, Deontay? What's good? I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. How about you? Oh, shoot. Get a little right in here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna try to get more few people in here before I start spreading this word. You already know first things first. Glory to God. Hey, what's up, creative? Hey, thanks for checking in, bro. Appreciate it. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking up on me. Really appreciate that. I need some water. Hey, yo, I'll be right back. Let me go get some water. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm thirsty, thirsty. Okay, we back. Let me push these charts over just a tad bit. That's a little bit. Um, what's first? First things first. First things first. Everybody in the chat. First things first. You already know. We spread this word. Gotta spread that word. That's more important than anything. You know us OGs come and stick around. Hey, I appreciate that, man. That's what's up. Appreciate that. Much love. Now we're on a new journey. We're on a new journey. So first things first, let's get into that word before this market open. Market opens up in like 24 minutes. So let's get it. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord Himself is the rock eternal. Make sure you put in your trust in the Lord, guys. Remember, if you're gonna stay in perfect peace, and you're gonna find yourself in perfect peace if you put your faith and your trust in Him. Because remember, He runs it all, He owns it all. So when you got the Master, you got the Lord, you got the King, and He's on your side, remember that nobody can be against you. And also we have Mark chapter 8. Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it, but whoever loses their life for me and for the gospel will save it. Remember, guys, we're putting our trust in the Lord. Every single day, we're going to continue to put our trust and our faith in the Lord, because He's going to guide our life in the right direction. If we try to lean on our own understanding, we're going to find ourselves constantly tripping, constantly falling, constantly stumbling, constantly confused, constantly lost. So put your faith and your trust in the God above that can see all things and know all things, okay? Glory be to God. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right, let's see this. Let's look at this daily. Look at this daily. That's first things first. We've been having a lot of action going on. I know y'all been seeing the Trump news, bro. It's been a little crazy. I mean, the Trump news been crazy. It's been all over my feed. So hopefully this ain't doing nothing. I mean, I'm surprised it pumping right now because of that. Look at a weekly. So like I said, guys, you already know the buy's always been long, because look, we haven't had a break low in a minute. In the past 7 to 8 weeks, we haven't had a breakdown. We just been pumping and going long. We've been going for these highs. It looks like we're trying to take out these highs before we have a reversal. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm on NQ. I'm also on ES. So they got the same confluence, the same look, right? Were you able to recover after being down 3? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I took some yesterday, and that was all I can make. I only made a little bit. I'm not even going to give you a number. But we good right now. We good. Not too bad. I mean, I can deal with it. If I can see if I was only down 100, then I'll be like, okay, what am I doing? So we good. Good to see you in the chat, though, for real, though. Let's get it. Sorry, I just lost my train of thought for a second. All right, let's get back to it. Hold up. All right, so we are pushing higher. Hopefully, we continue to push higher and go for these highs, and we're gonna see. I'm not sure. You know, I'm not gonna just say, "Hey, this market gonna go long." That's all it's gonna go. But from the bias, from the most part, we've been long. But I can't tell you where the market gonna go per se. All I can do is give you a guesstimate on where it may go. But for the most part, we've been long. Are we gonna continue to break higher and continue to go long? We're gonna see. I'm not sure. It is Friday. It is literally the last day of the week to trade. We're gonna take our time. Not try to blow any profits, you know, or blow any accounts. See what we got. My computer is pushing stupid hot right now. Oh my goodness. It's like max blast right now. It's crazy. All right. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Let's get rid of all this stuff. We didn't push into this 4-hour last night. That was crazy. Surprised we didn't push into that 4-hour. But anyway, let's get rid of this stuff right here. All this old stuff, let's get rid of it. Change our daily. Man, yesterday was crazy for a lot of traders. I know. They had a lot of whales in the market yesterday. We're talking about heavy contracts. Market opens up at 20 more minutes. 20 more. I'm getting rid of all these old zones, because we do not need them no more. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it on the 4. If I'm new to this, is there something you suggest us learning first, or do you have a video giving the rundown? Hey, I don't have no videos of right now how to trade, but there's so many. I could just continue to tell you there's so many videos. I'm trading futures right now. If you don't know what this is futures. So if you ever get a chance to look it up, look up what futures trading is. You know, they got stuff like Forex, you got stuff like options, stock trading, you know, mutual funds. You have all kind of trading types, all kind of trading styles. I trade futures. I would suggest you just to kind of study the basics. I would come out with a video, but I have to sit out on this like on my own time and just make a whole video on this. But I would suggest, like, you know, look at some TikTok videos, look at some YouTube videos on trading and learning the candlesticks, learning the wicks, learning the market, like learning the basics of the market. You know, what supply and demand, what is support, what support and resistance is, what is a long, what is a short. But if you stick around long enough, you'll start catching on. You'll start catching on. All right, let me go ahead and chart. I'm sorry, I'm getting excited. I'm just thinking about all kind of other stuff today. Let's get it. All right, so we got. Remember, I forgot I took this stuff off, but I want to reapply it just to keep it. 4-hour fair value gap right here. 4-hour fair value gap right here. We also got this 4-hour demand zone right here that we didn't even touch into. You know what? No. Wait a minute. We did. You know what? I'm gonna consider this the 4-hour. I'm gonna consider this the 4-hour. What was I thinking? Alright, also on ES. Man, you know what's so crazy? You know what's so crazy? Every time we wake up in the morning, this market gets extended. So it's like right here. We wake up in the morning and the market already overextends. We wake up in the morning and the market is already overextending. Wake up in the morning, the market is already overextending. That is annoying. It's like the market is making moves before the market opens. I find that really sketchy. I'm not lying. Like you really have big, huge movements before the market opens. Who's pushing this market? Right? I mean, I do see this liquidity above. I'm just trying to get some clarity, y'all. I'm just trying to see what I'm seeing. I ain't trying to rush it too fast because it is Friday. We went right back into this range, right back into this basin. It's a little choppy, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I see. I've only learned stocks trading so far. What made futures stand out to you? What made futures stand out to you in the sense of financial gain? With stock trading, you're pretty much holding the shares itself, and then you holding it for a long-term gain in the future. So let's say if I bought some Tesla. I bought Tesla for $300. One Tesla. You hope that Tesla might go to. So let's say if you bought five shares of Tesla for 300, and you have hopes of it continue to grow and grow and grow within the next quarter. That's holding stocks. You know, you're buying and selling at a later date. But with trading futures, you're day trading. You're trading like Forex. You're trading right on the spot. You're trading the instrument right now. So no matter the difference between stocks and like Forex and futures trading, you're trading shares. This right here, you're trading contracts. So the amount of contracts you put in, determines how much money you make in a way. You know what I'm saying? So like, when you buy this market, someone on the other side of the market is selling. When somebody is selling, somebody on the other side of the market is buying. This is like the back end of trading the actual instrument. You don't own no shares in this instrument. So let's say I'm trading Nasdaq. Nasdaq holds all kind of stuff like Apple, Tesla. You know, Nasdaq holds a collective amount of high profitable stocks, right? But the thing is, we don't own those stocks. When we trade Forex and futures, we don't own those currencies. We don't own those instruments. We trade those instruments like as if we betting on which way it may go for a shorter date. We place a trade on the market in hopes of it going in our direction to make quick money and quick profits in a shorter time. That's all it is. We're not holding no shares. We're not holding no no commodities. We don't own a stock at all. All we're doing is betting or trading on a stock or on an instrument, pretty much. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This market is a little sketchy. I like what I'm seeing. At the same time, I don't like the position where we at. I don't like where we at with this. I don't like where we at. It almost look like range. Like today may be like sit on hands, be patient. Actually, let me check to see if we got any news. I'm over here talking about nonsense. And then my computer might blow my hot, yo. Yesterday the stream cut out, so that's why I didn't really trade yesterday. The stream cut out big time, so I'm trying to really like slow down my computer. It's really this other computer I really want so bad. It's so expensive, but I really want it. I don't know. I'm trying to contemplate should I buy tonight because it just costs so much money. Oh wow, we had a lot of news. Oh, okay, so we don't really have no more news after this. This is it. This is it. This is it. All right. Let me go back to this 1 hour and place this supply zone right here. See what happens right here. Also, I'm gonna get rid of that block behind it, underneath it. I mean, 1 hour supply. All right. What was this right here? What is this? Oh, that was the supply zone. Oh, I need to get rid of that. Market opens up in 10 more minutes. I'm sorry, yo, this computer is really blown right now. Check, okay. Going back for these highs. We got the break. We got the break on the 1 hour. We didn't get the break on the 4 hour. Sorry, y'all, if I'm being like not talking so much. I'm trying to like really see what I'm trying to really chart this market. Make sure that I'm really not missing something. Come on, computer, what are you doing? We are just pumping on ES. Hey, yo, give me a second. Give me a second. Be right back. Alright, we back. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I was just trying to make sure this computer was running right. That's all. Alright, let's go. Market opens up in 8 more minutes. I really don't have no true zones. I really want to see where the market's gonna go once it's open. I really want to see where we gonna go. If y'all have any idea, my homeboy Josh just PM your channel. What videos do I need to stop watching? Huh? Hey Josh, can you rewrite? Can you say that? Cause I am not understanding what you're saying. You probably messaged me. Wait, what? I'm confused. Like, say it again. I'm sorry. I don't understand what you're saying. Market opens up in 7 more minutes. Kids are back there going crazy. Man, this market is interesting, man. I don't know. It just it has a weird look to me. I don't like it. I really don't like what I'm seeing. It looks like a range, and that's what's getting me. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of like not nervous. I'm just kind of like trying to figure out what am I seeing. Huh. Man, it looks trappy. This is what I'm. All right, so look. What I'm seeing right now, you don't see me charting anything right now. It looks real It looks real trappy right now. I think he meant to put you on. I think he meant put you on. I thought he said ticked him off. Hey, what's up, Ram? Rambosito. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you financially smart, girl. You smart. Cause I would not comprehend what he was saying. I ain't gonna lie. But honestly, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's starting to look really trappy. I don't know why, but it looks like a trap. Even though I don't know, it's just if you know what I mean by traps, it almost as if you don't see no zones and you might see a lot of wicking. I don't. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we might start wicking. My homeboy just put me on your channel. What videos do I need to start watching? What is your strategy? Oh, okay. So I don't do no videos. I haven't did no videos in a while. All I do is stream my trades. That's all I do. And shout out to your bro for putting you on me. That's what's up. I appreciate the love and support. My strategy is real simple. I start from the daily. I look at what we look at on a higher time frame to see where we might go on a bias. For the long time frame, it's been my bad. I'm sorry, bro. My train of thought is just everywhere. My bias has been long this whole week. Because if you look at the weekly, we've been long this whole week, right? But we run into a lot of liquidity right now. We run into a lot of stops. And this is why I'm starting to think that traps might come in today because we already pushed so high, but I don't know if we're going to continue high or we're going to continue to consolidate right here. So on the daily, I look at the daily to see what the higher time frame is looking like, what my bias might be. Our bias is looking long. But at the same time, we haven't been pushing long. It almost as if we've been grinding up higher long. So I go down to a 4 hour to see if I can find any zones. So I'll chart any zones. I'll look for supply and demand. I would look for a higher liquidity, like more of an eternal liquidity, more like highs and lows, right? I usually put my previous day high and my previous day low to determine where we might be bouncing at. But for the most part, my bias for the day is still long, but I'm just not seeing the longs. It's like almost as if I'm seeing sideways. I'm just trying to be careful because the market's about to open up in 4 more minutes. And I'm just trying to take my time. But I pretty much trade supply and demand. Pretty simple. Supply and demand and breaker structure. That's it. Nothing too fancy. But for everybody else that's watching, I'm just trying to see. Like this right here, I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this area. And I'm trying to take it easy because it is for what's up, Kingdom? What's up? What's good? What's up, Kingdom? Man, I'm good, man. I'm just hey, I ain't gonna lie, the market got me choking up right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like that. Oh, you might say, oh, this is long. We're gonna go long. It looks, I ain't gonna lie, it looks trappy to me. I just don't like what this did right here. I don't like this right here. I don't really see no clear zones. It's just right now, it looks like a sit on hands and wait for the market to make a move. I think it's best for me when this market opens is to really watch where this market gonna go. We so extended to the longs that it looks like we might just drop and bounce around. I'm just that's my thought. But overall, creative. Wait, well, not creative. Where you at, Josh? My pretty much my strategy is supply and demand and breaker structure. That's all I trade. I don't trade. I might see a little CISD. I might see a little, I might do a couple of ICTs with turtle soups. I might do a couple of those, but I don't look so hard for the market. I look for supply and demand. I keep it simple. I look for demand. I look for supply. I look for demand. I look for breaker structure. I look to see if we can get above this previous day high, or if we get below the previous day high, if we get below the previous day low or above it, and that's how I take my trades. I'm not so much of a swing trader. I like to scalp. I like to scalp and swing trade at the same time. I don't like to take 5-second trades. I like to get in for like a good 10 to 20 minutes of trading, and then that's that. So my trading is a little simple. It's pretty traditional. But overall, I try to watch out. My main objective is not my strategy. My main objective is to preserve capital. That's what I really try to focus on the most, is preserving my capital, making sure my stop is tight. I don't like really trading strategy. Like, I wouldn't consider, you know the crazy thing about this? I don't consider supply and demand a strategy. I consider execution a strategy. It's like, if you see an opportunity, you get in. If you see an opportunity, you get out. You know what I'm saying? But overall, I try my best to preserve that capital so I don't over leverage. That's pretty much my strategy. Because I can say, oh, I'm trading. I can say I'm trading supply and demand all day, and it really is not a good supply and demand zone. I can say I'm trading CISD, and it's really not a good CISD, because this market has been very weird. For the past week, this market has been very weird. And I think we in a weird zone. Like, you see us, we bouncing off a 4-hour fair value gap. We're bouncing off a fair value gap above. We're constantly going up and down. Even though we're grinding higher, it's getting really rangy. You see what I'm saying? It's like we're not really breaking. This is range to me. I don't like it. I really don't like what I'm seeing. I'm gonna show you what I mean. We'll take off, reject, come back up, 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 and then come back down for retracement. Come back up, reject, come back up, retrace, and then come back up, and then it looks like we're gonna reject again. I'm not liking this. I'm just not liking this. That's all I'm saying. I'm not liking that. Compared to this type of movement. See, look at this. Compared to this, clear. This is more clear to me. See, watch this. Even though this is a 4-hour, right? We got the break, retrace, come up, maybe come back down because we didn't get the full break, come back down, and then we finally go up, right? I like that. That to me looks good. Even right here, I like this. Retrace, come back to the zone right here. Wait, hold up, look at that. Retrace, break out, retrace, break out. I likes that. But right here, I don't like this. It's almost as if we in range. And it's almost as if we're tapping into a lot more liquidity, and it's starting to, what the? My guy just sent us 10, man, hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. I'm happy to see you thriving, still thriving, man. Thank you for everything and what you're doing now. I hope to learn this soon and get better understanding to keep up with your live streams. God bless you. God bless you too, bro. I appreciate you. Hey, Truckin', what's up, man? Man, my chat, man, your chat, y'all, man, that's turning me up, man. It's not even the money, man. God bless y'all, man. Cause for a second, I was getting a little, not anxiety, but a little stress. I don't know what it is, man. But, man, I appreciate you, creative. Thank you for that, bro. God bless you, bro. Hold up, man. Even you sent me 10, man. God bless you, bro. Bro, that's love. That's love, man. That's what's up, man. I appreciate y'all. Truckin', Josh, Kingdom, Ram, all of y'all in the chat, man. I appreciate you, man. But yeah, for the most part, y'all, I'm just trying to be careful, because today we just opened up. The market, okay, the market's open. And you know what I'm saying? Look, we ain't got no push. That's what's getting me. I don't like that. We don't have no volume. We don't got no news. And usually when there's no news, you try to stay away from trading, because you're gonna see a lot of sideways motion. So if we don't catch a trade, if we don't catch a legitimate good trade today, that's okay. It's better to sit on hands and to force a trade, you know what I'm saying, than to start losing profit and not preserving capital because you didn't catch a good trade. That's why it's good to always be patient. Now, for the past few days when I was trading, besides yesterday, because I did trash yesterday, for the past few days, we've been doing pretty good, you know? The market has been showing a lot of volume, a lot of news come out, but now it's just, I don't know, man. Today, I don't know. Today just looks very odd to me, and I don't like it. I really don't like what I'm seeing. You might say look at a lower time frame, but I don't really see nothing. I might see a 15-minute right here, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I see ES is pumping though. ES is definitely pumping. ES is above the previous day high. I don't like this. I just don't like this range. I don't like being right here. That's the catch. Let me see where we at. Where we at? I don't like this. I just don't like where we at. I don't like it. I don't like this area. It's almost like I'm waiting for a good setup. I want to see us either be at the bottom and catch it or be at the top and catch the shorts. I just don't see us catching a trade right here unless I see a big move down. We're gonna see, y'all. Just want to be careful because Fridays be them days. I'm telling you, Fridays be those days where you see the market at 1 o'clock in the evening and then you see a big move. But right here, I'm just not feeling this. I'm not feeling this at all. I can zone this. I mean, you know what? I will put my zones. It's best to put these zones. So let me go to a higher time frame and see what we possibly got. But I don't like, you know what I don't like? I don't like short-term zones. I love 4-hour zones. I love 1-hour zones. When the moment I start getting to the 15-minute and the 5-minute zones, it almost like, okay, what am I looking for? Because they could break that easily. Usually when you see higher time frames like this, let's say if I had like right now, let's say if I had a 4-hour, right? Look, see this 4-hour right here, this 4-hour demand? It bounced perfectly off that. Also off that 4-hour fair value gap. That's a good zone because that's a higher time frame. It can build up off of that. I could probably in this zone right here, like let's say right here, we in this right here, right? I go down to a 15-minute. Then I can say, oh, I could catch me a 15-minute. I could catch me a 15-minute demand to bounce off of and then go long. But if I don't see no zone on a higher time frame in this range, that's alarming to me. That's sketchy. I don't like that. Okay, here we go. You might say this is a 1-hour. I like it and then I don't like it. I just don't like it. It don't look clear to me. Yeah. I'm gonna have to be careful, y'all. Cause this could be a lot of trapping going on. A lot of fake breakouts. I mean, I like this as a fair value gap, but then I don't like it as a fair value gap. The wick too big. Look how big this wick is. Look how small this candle is. This is a fair value. This is a gap, but is this a good gap to go short on? Could be. Let me see about this right here. I'm just trying to take my time before I start putting any falseness, because yesterday I did terrible. Yeah, for the most part, y'all, I'm gonna sit on hands. I'm gonna be careful because I want to make sure that I'm not falling into no move that's gonna really pump on me. Look how ES is pumping, right? ES is above the previous day high. ES is pumping. And Q, on the other hand, we stagnate. I don't like that. I don't like that. That was NQ is looking alarming to me. I don't like that. I gotta be very careful because I like trading NQ. I don't like trading. I mean, I use ES as confluence with NQ, but I don't like trading ES. I like NQ for its volume and its movement. It's funny how ES is getting that pump. Perfect breaker structure on the previous day. I mean, perfect respect on the previous day high. Huh. I wouldn't consider this a fair value gap, but I'm gonna put it anyways. The fact that it's probably respecting this, I want to see. I just don't like this wick. Excuse me. That's market fishy. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, this market fishy. Hey, it just take 1 second and this well come in and I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't like the wicks. I don't like the formation. I don't like that we don't even got no zones right here. Like you might this what I mean by zones is you seeing volume, you seeing supply and demand. It don't look right. You got a wick right here. I mean, I don't like that, man. I don't know. And I don't want to fill this chart up with so much nonsense and it's just pumping. Respect right here. Big long. Yes, it's just pumping. You about to go?
Chat.
You want to see the chat?
Chat. Good morning. How are we doing today?
I don't know. The market's looking shaky to me. I'm not trusting it.
You're on UPA?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just don't trust it. I don't trust what I'm seeing. I know this move look good, but then again, I don't trust it. I just don't trust it.
It's already extended.
I know.
I don't think you should even mess with it.
I don't like it. And if it still go long, that's cool and all, but I just don't like the trade.
Yeah.
I don't like how we came through this and then reject off this and we didn't even respect this much.
Well, be patient.
It almost like it fake. See, it's faking out. If you know what I mean, like look, it's not like right here. Look, let's say if this is a bounce right here. Look at this right here. See how see right here, how this could be a good bounce. Why did it have to come right here, come back down underneath that and bounce? Even though this is, it just don't like it. I don't like it.
Well, if it don't make sense, don't take it. All right, y'all. Message of the day. Jesus loves y'all. Hey, Money Man.
Huh?
Money Man.
Hold up. Oh, you need a card? Hold on.
I need.
My supportive wife. Love her. Oh, man. Nah, bro. I don't like it. Why you gotta look like this? Dang, that ES long would have been good. But, oh my god, it's pumping. Hey, if any of y'all caught that trade, let me know in the chat. Let me know, chat, if you caught that trade. It didn't even come back down. I mean, you might say, dang, it really caught this fair value gap? Really? Hold up. Wow. Nah, man. Nah. Tricky market. So that's where it did a nice bounce at. We didn't even get to tap into this low right here. That's what's crazy. That's crazy. And you're like, why you didn't just take the trade? I like way more confirmation. I can't just do one or two confirmations and then to take my trade. I need at least about 4 or 5. If I can see a 4 or 5, at least 4 to 5 confirmations, I'm taking the trade. If I only see like one that says, oh, this is a bounce right here, you might get the bounce and it drops. Hey, what's up, Stefan? So my lion mate, this is so hard to understand. Sitting on hands. Me too. It can pump long, but I don't like that we're not bouncing off these highs. We're just bouncing off of gaps. I mean, I like that, but in a sense, but we got so much imbalance. We got so much liquidity. Why are we not tapping into that? I just want to sit on hands for a better trade. I'm just trying to be careful. All right, so look, ES is about to tap into this high right here, right? Pop this liquidity, boom. What was this, a 4 hour? That was a 1 hour. Kid being bad. 1 hour. 1 hour what? Wait, 1 hour what? Hold up. Missed that long. Yeah, that is a nice long. I just didn't trust it, that's all. Long's really just playing out. You can always catch him. Don't get me wrong. You can catch it. We can catch it. We can probably catch it back on a retest. I just didn't like this range. I didn't like this area. I didn't like what I was seeing on the left side either. That's usually what happens. They'll try to trick you out of it, knowing that you think that it might go short or go in reverse, and just do the total opposite. There probably was a lot of buyers on the books. And also on the footprints, the sellers didn't dry up. It just literally just pumped. Like I can show y'all right now. Like, I'm looking at the footprints, right? I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm looking at the footprints. That's not sellers drying up. That's literally just a lot. That's a lot of sellers, and then they just pump. I don't like that. That's like a breakout. That's like an unorganic breakout, and like not an organic breakout. I don't like that. I would like to see the sellers like literally dry up and then constantly try to fight. It literally just was sellers took off. Nah, I'm not taking that, man. I don't like that move. I don't like that. Waiting on the retest. If we get a nice retest, that'd be nice. But that's the thing. I want to make sure that we're not hitting on a zone that might have a retracement. Let's see how many minutes we have on the 4 hour. We got 16 minutes on the 4 hour, right? But don't trip. Hey, Maya, stick around long enough, you're going to catch it. All you see, look, you see the market, you see the green. You see the green means up, you see the red means down. You can buy on the green and you can sell on the red. You can make money going both ways. All we're looking for is an opportunity to get in the market and get out the market to make a profit. That's all you need to know for right now. But for the most part, once you start learning my terminology and learning the whole terminology on what's a higher high, what's a lower low, what's a range, you're gonna learn it. It's gonna make sense. But for the most part, you're gonna understand that going green is going up and going red is going down. And we're trying to get in and make money. Man, this pump it don't look right to me. I just don't like it, y'all. I don't like it. I don't like how we look. I don't like how we had the green candle right here. We didn't even close past this high. We just pumped. What is that? Fair value gap right here, but we didn't get no follow. We didn't get a tap. We didn't respect this, and we just pumped. Nah, bro. You can keep that. Yo, something smells like waffles. Hey, I feel you, Kingdom. Hey, I'm just trying to be careful because this market is it's gonna set a lot of people up. That pump was just so fast. That was 248 ticks, but that's not a lot to me. Look at that pump. That's a quick pump. Nah. 15 minutes just printed. Take our time, y'all. We good. If we gotta be here all day, we good. Just watch the market. Make sure that we're not getting trapped, faked out. Man. Wow. It even tried to pretend like the buyers are drying up and it just pump. That's what I mean by trap. It's like almost like it's trying to trap sellers. Because a lot of sellers try to come into the market on a footprint. They try to come in. You see on the footprint, on the 5 minute, 15 minute, it looked like a lot of sellers try to kept hitting that point. But at the same time, the buyers looked like nobody was there. That's what's getting me. Trappy market. I don't like that, man. I need way more confirmation. Trappy market. I should have known how ES was pumping. Let me go back to a daily. I think I need to go back to a higher time frame and look at it again. Big reject. Oh, duh. Big rejection right here. Huge pump up, but we're so extended. Oh, man. Let me look at a weekly. Continue for these longs. Where are we going to? That's what I'm trying to see. Where are we going to? Do we have anything that sticks out like a high that I need to take out? Rejection point right here, maybe? Tap into this high right here, maybe? Let me look at ES. Got liquidity above. We just pumping. Oh my goodness. Are we green the whole day? My goodness. Is it green day? Like for real? We ain't got no clear breaker structure either. Nah, bro. I don't like this market, bro. I don't like what it looks like. I don't like that we pump green right here. We had a whole supply zone. We just shot right through that. What is going on today? With no big news, what is going on today? Man, this market is really doing whatever it wants. Rejection pump, take out some of these highs. Hey, all right, if we can get a retracement, I'm gonna go long. Gotta be careful though, because I think these shorts about to come in. Market trying to trap us up. Bro, I can't stand days like these. I swear, it's like I gotta really be careful on what I'm seeing. Really be careful, y'all. Coming back down on ES. 11 more minutes into this 4-hour candle prints. Okay, so look. Like I was saying. Alright, so look. Alright. Peep this. Peep this. Peep what I'm about to say now. The market do look long. If these 4 hours don't print above these wicks, or even on NQ don't print on a 4 hour above this, I'm gonna start looking for an opportunity to go short if we don't continue to pump. Because I realized this pump was just out of nowhere. It almost didn't look like we can find, like I couldn't even find a good opportunity to get into this long. And I'm not gonna go long. I'm not gonna take a whole long off of this one fair value gap. I'm just not doing it. I would need way more confirmation. Way more confirmation. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna give it 11 more minutes. Let this market do what it do. And I'm gonna see where this market gonna go. I wanna see this 4 hour print. I really wanna see this 4 hour print. And if we continue to push high, then you know, it is what it is. We're gonna see. I don't know what you doing. What you thinking, Kingdom? Wait for a retest and go long. We got 11 more minutes, 10 more minutes until this market prints, this 4 hour prints. Thinking we might go push into this 1 hour and go into this previous day high. Let me look at ES again and see if we bouncing off this this area. We also got a little high right here that we could bounce off of. Look at this. 5 minute. See right here, we bounced off the previous day high perfectly. Should have known for this long right here, but oh yeah, duh, that is confluence. Duh. I wasn't paying attention. Like your boy said earlier, he said look at a different time frame. I was so busy stuck on a different time frame. We kept rejecting this perfect. I mean, we kept respecting this perfectly. Also on the 15 minute. But ES didn't get that push right away the way ES did. That's what got me. It's okay though. Alright, so we pushing into this 1 hour supply zone on NQ. We missed the long, which is okay. You know, it's cool. No biggie. No biggie. We are extended. Bro, we might have a nice retest. In my opinion, shorts is coming because we overextended. Yeah, I like that too. I like the shorts too. And also this 4 hour, if this 4 hour go right back underneath these wicks, that's not breaker structure. Also right here too, I want to see what happens right here. We didn't even get the breaker. Bro, that's what bro, this pump is, bro, that pump was not real, bro. That shit didn't make no sense. You would have followed that pump and it's like you almost following a trap. I'm good. Shorts coming in heavy. Quick too. And we overextended. I'm gonna put this white. As if no break. Breaker structure? Breaker structure? Not even on an ES. Where does pump come from? You feel what I'm saying? We didn't even tap into the 4 hour. Bro, what is going on? What is really going on? Yeah, you might say this the 4 hour right here, but I like this better. Yo, hey, I think something's big about to happen. I don't know why, but that pump was just, I don't like it. I just don't like them. I don't like the market right now. Remember, we gotta sit on hands. It's best to miss a move than to force a move. It's best to miss a move than to force a move. We're gonna catch our trade. Don't trip. We're gonna do it. And if we don't, then it is what it is. At least we live the trade another day. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not doing the same thing I did yesterday. Getting faked out and chasing the market, even though we have no break and we come, man, bro, look at this, bro. I don't like this. We didn't even get the break on the 4 hour. We out here pumping like nobody's business. Pumping like nobody's business. Even though you might say we got the bounce, but we not breaking. And these are heavy wicks. I don't know. You might say we looking for liquidity, but oh, wait a minute. I think I see something. Oh, hold up. My computer charging? There we go. All right, so we got 5 minutes into this 4-hour prints. Amazing. Smart decision to be patient today, bro. I am sitting on my hands also. Hey, Jazzy, what's up, Jazzy? Man, it's good to see y'all in the chat, man. I love seeing y'all niggas in the chat, bro. Maybe y'all don't feel so lonely, you know what I mean? Don't be feeling lonely like we in this game. Definitely try to sit on hands. That pump, I didn't like that pump, bro. I didn't like it. I didn't see it. Because when I look for break of structure, if I don't see no break of structure, I'm not taking it. And sometimes ES do a good job at being above his previous day high or low and just bouncing around it. But NQ is known for respecting his previous day high and low really well. Supply right here? Could this be supply? I'm about to get rid of this right here. I don't like that. I think that's nonsense. Let me get rid of that. Let's see what else right here. Nonsense right here. Definitely nonsense. Erase all that nonsense. That might be clutter on our screen. That might just fake me out on some, some nonsense. Rejection right here. Wait a minute. We don't even tap into the 1 hour the 1 hour supply. Come on, man. What's going on? What is going on? And we already dropping off like this? Nah. This is not organic at all. This is not organic at all. Anybody that caught that quick pump, that was a nice move, but this is not organic. Not organic. We're gonna see though. Let's see if we can pump it to this. I wanna see if look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look for a retracement. And see if we can get along. Back into that 1 hour supply zone. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look for this is my first trade. My first trade is looking for a retracement. See if we can respect this right here, this low. And on a 5 minute, if we respect this low, I'm gonna go long. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna take that long on the 4 hour because the 4 hour is gonna probably pump. Once we come back down, the 4 hour is gonna probably pump to that 1 hour, and we're gonna see. So I want to see a retracement. The shorts are heavy right now on the 30 minute, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, the shorts are heavy on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. Oh my goodness. Gotta be careful, y'all. No buyers on the books. Nah, bro. We didn't even. You're telling me just because we didn't close past this zone, it was time to reject? And we didn't even push into the 1 hour supply? Wait, hold up. Did we? No. What's really going on? Nope. Wait, we did we? We did. Oh, I'm tripping. We did. Let me get rid of this. We did. Oh my goodness. I missed it. I thought it was the fair value gap. I'm tripping. Oh my goodness, I'm tripping. But it's all good though. It's all good though. Shorts are heavy though. Let's see if we can hold up. Let's see if we continue to go down. You in profit? Good job, Kingdom. You took that short? You took that short? That shorty? About to be in some crazy range, probably. Rejection off that 1 hour. I thought it was the actual fair value gap. We didn't get the since we didn't get the breaker structure, and we got the rejection on 1 hour. The shorts came in. I missed that trade. I overthought it. My bad. My bad. But like I said, we're gonna wait for this 4 hour to print. Look at this fake out right here. Look at this fake out. Crazy. We finally tapped into that liquidity. Finally tapped into it, but on NQ, no. 40 seconds until this market prints, to this candle prints. Good short though. Good scalp short. Kingdom. Good job. Proud of you. Buyers are trying to hold this level. Buyers are trying to hold this level. We might see a long. See if I see any zones. Rangy right now. It's gonna be rangy until this candle prints. I'm gonna be patient. All right, so the 4 hour just printed. We broke highs. 4 hour just printed. We just broke highs, but we didn't break on NQ. We broke on ES. I'm on 30 minute. What am I doing? 30 second. In this range. We didn't even tap into this fair value gap right here. This would have been a nice spot to bounce off. Man, this market did not give out nah. This market did not give out good opportunities at all. We gotta be patient. Patience is key. Patience is key, y'all. I'm letting y'all know. We gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Be patient. You're not missing no trade. You're not. Be patient. That's if you want to. If you want to. $120. Rejection again? Man, these sellers, man, these buyers are trying to hold this level. Oh my goodness. Sellers, how the sellers are drying up, but then they still pushing the market down? Look at this again. Let me get rid of this line right here. Rejected off this again. Hey, yo, I'll be right back. Okay, let's see. Shorts are heavy. Shorts are heavy. Shorts are heavy. 5 minute. Tight spot, tight spot, tight spot, tight spot. Can we get that break? We got the break, right? Nope. Nope. Man, this is a this market showing how to try to figure this out. Print again. Oh boy. What is this? 5 minute fair value you got right here on NQ. Market is really trying to trap people. You just got one big move. Just have a nice. Wait, that's not even a big move. That's not even a big move. Like this right here. Market opens up. That's not even a big move. Really sneaky. That's a 15 minute fair value gap. Put that in the show. Five minute. Very tricky today. I'm waiting for a pump to short. Me too. Me too. Me too. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Somebody's at the door. All right. Back again. All right. Tricky market. Tricky. All right. So all right, let's get back to it again. So that 4 hour did print, right? 4 hour printed. We didn't get the break. I mean, we did get the break right here, but we didn't get these breaks, right? 4 hour printed, we got the break on ES. Man, I don't like seeing break on one instrument, then not a break on another instrument. But we back, y'all. Somebody was at the door. Had to hurry up and go do that. All right, let's get it. Let's go over so y'all can see me better. All right. Still waiting. What are we doing right here? Let me know if y'all see any zones or anything that I might need to be watching for, cause I ain't trying to get trapped up too. I don't like favor you guys with long wicks, but I'll put it anyway just in case for more confirmation. Had a feeling it was gonna move sideways. We just moving sideways, y'all. Funny how I run my eye and it just gets red instantly. Crazy. Okay. Finally some movement. Ain't no shorts coming heavy. But I still don't like it. I still don't like it. I need more confirmation. Well, ooh, that might be confirmation. We're gonna see. Yeah. See if we can get this bounce long. See if we can get this bounce long. I want to see us probably get along. I don't think these shorts gonna come in yet. But I want to see us touch into some of these low parts right here. Same thing on ES, and then maybe go for a long. We got VWAP right here, VWAP right there. We're gonna see. 2 minutes until 15-minute prints. Let me see on 30-minute. 2 minutes. Okay, now. Got that right there. We tapped into already. Market is sideways, y'all. Come on. Give us a break. Give us a chance, coach. Give us a chance. Give us the move. We gotta be patient. Or you're gonna get chopped up like a knife. Like a ninja. You mother clucker. I think I found this play. Hold up. Wait a minute. 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 Hold up. Wait a minute. They be trying to trap. What they be trying to trap? Hold up. If this aligns with this, we on. Uh-oh. Y'all, boy, y'all sneaky in this market, bro. Hey, Mike gonna have to really take that long. Sneaky, eh? Sneaky, sneaky. I'm waiting for that 15 minute to close. Sneaky, sneaky. They sneaky. Trying to absorb more buyers and sellers as they can, and then boop. So we can officially tap into this higher. We're gonna see. Ooh, wait a minute, y'all. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. Real choppy. Man, I don't. Man. I say I don't like when it gets wicked like this. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's almost like you ain't gonna have no clear direction. You're gonna either have to take the trade, force the trade. You're gonna have to do something. Nah. Buy now. Nah. Got the break. I mean, can we stay above? Bounce between zones. What was it, 30 minute on this one? This was a 30 minute fair value gap. Knew today was gonna be like one of these days. Knew it. I just gotta be careful, y'all. Markets all over the place. Buyers and sellers are just fighting up and down this range. Just letting y'all know. Can't break this? What's going on? Really? You telling me that long was the only play we're gonna have for the day? Like, come on now. Alright guys, remember, another refresher. It is Friday. It's the last day of the week. Don't go if you don't want to go too heavy and blow your account, don't do it. I'm gonna try to be mindful of my trades too, because they're trying to absorb and collect. You can see it. I had a feeling this morning when I was talking about it, that long was nice and all, but it just wasn't my type of trade. The thing is, that wasn't even a big trade. ES had a big trade, but that wasn't it. The thing I had a feeling there was gonna be a lot of traps. You can see all of the emptiness in these trade, man. Look at you can see by the emptiness of these markets, bro. All of these openings, all of these like not zones, but these ranges. I don't like that, bro. That looks like a lot of this. I don't like that. I just don't like it. I had a feeling it was gonna do it, and I feel like they're gonna accumulate. My thing is, I think they're gonna accumulate, and they're gonna either pump this market up or dump this market. Either one of the two. So I'm just waiting for us to get out this accumulation range. They just hitting stops, back and forth, hitting stops, up and down. You see sellers on the tape, buyers on the tape, sellers on the tape, buyers on the tape, sellers on the tape, buyers on the tapes. I'm gonna show you what I see, so y'all can see what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Y'all see this? It's just chipped. It's choppy. You see sellers drying up, buyers drying up, sellers dropping, buyers drying up, sellers drying up, buyers pumping up. It's up and down. It's reversed back and forth for the last 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's chopped. I don't like it. I don't see not one person holding the level and want to pump, holding the shorts and want to dump. I don't see it. I'm just trying to stay away from that. There's no range. I don't see if the sellers are drying up. I don't see if the buyers are drying up. And if they are looking like it, it almost like you see it different. Keep doing this right here. I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling it. I don't like it. I'm not gonna take the trade. Now it could, don't get me wrong, it could dump crazy. You might get a passive seller in here. That thing just tank. But we're gonna wait for that retest. I know we've been waiting for the retest to go long, but they're not giving it. And that's alarming. We've been holding it. I want to see us bounce at this high and respect this 15-minute on ES to go long. I would like to see us hit this red line right here. I would love to see it. Hit this red line, respect this 15-minute, and go long. Not playing this range. And I'm not trying to go off of one confirmation, because that one confirmation is going to keep me from trying to take a trade. I need at least I want to see at least 3. If I get at least 3 confirmations, the respect, the bounce, the build up, the drying up of the sellers or the drying up of the buyers, I'm taking my trade. If I don't see, if that and that ain't connecting, I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it. I got 22 in here. Oh my goodness. Like I said, guys, if I ain't getting the footprints ain't showing me that the sellers or the buyers are drying up, I'm not taking a trade. If I don't see a bounce at these zones and respecting these zones, I'm not taking a trade. And if I don't see a clear break or structure, I'm not taking a trade. I'm just not going to do it. I'm not about to risk my account because we in the chop. Because we are just stops and whipsawing up and down. As y'all can see on the footprints, like I showed y'all, right? On the footprints. On my other computer. What do y'all see? What do y'all see? Right? You see buyers and you see the sellers dried up. You see the buyers drying up and then you see the sellers. You see the sellers keep trying to dump it and then the buyers dry up. And then guess what? The sellers dry up and then the buyers keep pumping it. And then we're squeezing out. Look at that. We're just squeezing out until we figure out which way we go. I'm not about to play that. I'm not about to trade that. That's a trap. I had a feeling the trap was gonna come in. Had a feeling early this morning. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Either I had a feeling that it was gonna happen when the market opened, or I had a feeling that it was gonna happen in the first couple of hours. Scalp boss. You the scalp boss. Hey, we gonna call Keno. Hey, change your name to Scalp Boss. I can't do it, bro. My emotions. That's the thing with my scalping ability is cool to a certain extent. I find myself getting emotional when I scalp. When I start scalping, I start realizing I'm in and out. I'm like, okay, I'm getting emotional. I'm getting greedy. I'm getting scared. I'm getting anxiety. I can't do it, bro. More power to you. If you can scalp, more power to you, bro. I can't do it. I find myself chopping up and down. But I love looking at technicals. If I can see a technical play and I can get about 3 to 4 confirmations on that technical play, I'm taking that trade and I'm going heavy. It is what it is. And I'm willing to accept that risk. Remember, it's not about how much you're getting, it's about how much it costs you. If you're willing to accept a $500 loss, take it. If you're willing to accept a $1,000 loss, $10,000 loss, take it. Don't worry about how much you're gonna get. That money gonna come in. What's up, Abdul? What's good? Man, we just waiting for this breakout. We're waiting for this. We're waiting for this respect right here. I'm waiting for ES to either respect this high right here. Look, we have a high right here, right? I want to see ES respect this high, stay above this 15-minute. That's 2 confirmations, and just continue to go long. If we don't do that, then we just chopping around, or we're gonna break. I'm just waiting for confirmation. And if I see NQ can respect this area right here, look. If can NQ respect this high, right? Also with this 30-minute IFVG, I'm going long. I'm going to take that long trade, even though ES had to break a structure. ES had to break a structure. NQ didn't have the break a structure. That's why I got the BOS right here. See, BOS line, BOS line. We in range, by the way. So I'm just waiting for confirmation. If I see us breaking underneath these zones, I might take that short. But I just gotta get more confirmation. Hey, that's what's up. Once I get more confirmation, I'm taking my trade. I can't scalp, bro. I've scalped so much and I mess up too much on scalping. I might see a good scalp trade and just get in and get out. But that gets my adrenaline rushing. I be getting scared, you know? I be getting so scared, y'all. That's the thing. When I scalp, I get nervous because I go in so heavy and I be trying to get in and get out. But the best way for me to keep my emotions in check is by trading technicals and following the plan. Following the plan. That's what we're doing. We're waiting for this market to give us a Come on, man. When we gonna get out this range? Oh my goodness, bro. It's crazy when you start realizing the traps. It's crazy. And traps can mean consolidation. You know, they don't have to mean traps can be a break below the actual low or the high, and then can have continuation to your move. You might have a respect on your move, get stopped out, and then the move starts to continuation. That could be a trap. You can have a trap where you think that a reversal gonna come and then it doesn't happen. It actually keeps going. That's a trap. You might see a sideways, so you might see consolidation on a 15-minute. Because the 15-minute is good at telling you consolidation. When you see in wicks like this on a 15-minute, which is half the time frame, it's letting you know you might go sideways. That's a trap. So I'm just trying to stay away from that, man. I'm trying to stay away from that. That's all. Just don't like it, y'all. I just don't like it. I'd rather preserve my capital than to be down 500 off of a play I thought was gonna happen. You get 3 or 4 confirmation that trade gonna happen, take that trade. Don't even be ashamed that you took that trade. The 4-hour broke on ES. Man, are we gonna pump today? I mean, this look like pump. This look like longs. I don't know. We're gonna see. Cause I like this right here on a daily too. I like this. I also like this. Look at this. This is why I like the longs. You're like, why do you like the longs so much? What makes you think the longs might come in? This right here. I like this bounce we had on NQ and ES. I like that. Almost as if it's time for us to continue for this liquidity above. I said a magic word, bro. I said it. I said what it is. Look, this can be it. We didn't get the break on the 4-hour for the lows, right? We didn't get the break. We didn't get the break on the 4-hour on NQ. We didn't get that break. We can come back down. But the thing is, look at this. ES captured its own liquidity in its highs, right? ES broke out. Wouldn't NQ do the same after the retest and continue to go long and follow through to gain all of that high right here? Wouldn't it? What y'all think? She went. Hey, what's up, Lamar? She went by her dad's. She gotta go take care of her dad. I forgot to put the trash out. Oh well, it'll be good. Dang, boy, this market here. Hold on. I need to go back. The move is playing out. But it's heavy. Real heavy. Hold up. Let me get right. What we doing right here? Are we breaking this? We already above this previous day high. Damn, we dropping hard. People trying to buy. Oh my goodness. Sellers off the tape. There's a lot of buyers are drying up. A lot of sellers on the tape right now. Is this thing about to tank? Hey, hold up. Wait a minute. We got liquidity that lies below too that we might have to tap into. Definitely might get that rejection. See on a 5 minute. I know ES got the break instruction. Let me get rid of this line. I want to clear up my charts a little bit. I'm gonna clear up my charts a little bit. Ah. Wait a minute. Are we gonna get that 5 minute clear? Nah, we underneath the 5 minute, the 15 minute fair value gap. I don't like that. We're already extended. Look like we're about to go short. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful over here, y'all. Gotta be careful. Make sure I ain't getting faked out on this trade. Can we hold this level? I was talking about going long at this level. But I want to see us hold this level. If we don't hold this level, then I might just go short. We're gonna see. I want to see us hold this level. I want to see the sellers dry up, and the buyers come in. If the buyers don't come in, then you know what's up. Yeah, they playing back and forth. Buyers and the sellers are ping-ponging off. How we doing so far, bro? We doing good. We just got to keep our mind right. We doing good. We are overextended, but I can see us continue to go. If I don't know, we're gonna see. I'm just trying to get more confirmation. Can these loans come in and can these sellers dry up? That's all I'm trying to see. Can these sellers dry up? For the most part, they didn't dry up yet. Just trying to get more confirmation for the longs. Even though, wow, we extended to go short. Wow. Look at ES. ES is about to break down. You see that? Look at the 1 minute right here. Oh, yeah. Wow. What else do we have? We got this block right here. Bob. Let me keep that down right here. Bob. 15 minute. We respected that good, though. We didn't respect that 15 minute, though. Uh-oh. We didn't get to close. This is what I don't like. I don't like that we didn't get to close. That's an X on my books. Why we didn't get to close below that? Right? Why we didn't get to close? Is this 30 minute even valid? That's the question. I need to get rid of this 30 minute. It's in the way. This is very interesting. Yeah, it is a tough one. It looks like the sellers are heavy right now. It's heavy, bro. But the buyers are holding this level so good. You see so many sellers on his books, bro. But the buyers are holding this level. Can they hold? We're gonna see. Can they flip? We're gonna see. Just need more confirmation that these loans want to come in. Why so heavy? Why so many sellers but still pop? Tricky market, y'all. Tricky market. You're trying to trick up people. Be careful. This market will get you. Halfway point. I'm trying to see if I can see any other better plans that I'm missing out on. Rejection. Retracement. Retracement. 30-minute, 1 hour. Close. 3-minute. 2-minute. Going long right here. Looks beautiful. Might be right. I think we're getting our confirmation to go long. This might be it. All right, let me see. Oh, wait. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. What was that candle? What is that? Being careful. It's trapping, bro. They trapping. The setups look trappy. That's why I'm trying to be careful. I got one confirmation to go long. I don't got two confirmation. I got one. One off the bounce off this and one off this break right here. But I like that the sellers dried up on this 5-minute. I don't like how we got this 5-minute candle green. We didn't get above this candle. Trappy, trappy, trappy. Snappy, snappy, snappy. Uh-oh. They might be pushing, but we're going to see. Take it, Kingdom. Hey, Kingdom gonna take the trade. I know Kingdom. Kingdom gonna take that trade. Man, it's too small, bro. This trade too small for me. It's like, I don't know, bro. Kingdom taking that trade. I know you are. You can have it, Kingdom. Wait, hold up. 3-minute clear up. We pushing right here. Hey, I might take the trade with you right now. If we can get a nice little retracement, I might take that trade now. I need a way more confirmation. I think this is strong push up, strong push down, and then move back up to the highs for the stop loss. Then push down. Strong push down, then move back up. Which is what we having right now. Hold up. I like this. Ooh, I like this trade, bro. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. I don't know, bro. Hey, this is catchy because this move right here can either pump heavy down or pump heavy up. And I'm not trying to blow it that fast. Yeah, here come the longs. Back above this 15-minute. Back above. Show me no more dry. Sellers are drying up. 1 minute, sellers are drying up. Ooh, this 1 minute is tricky. Put this little quick demand zone. See what happens right here. See if we respect this demand zone. Yes. All right. Sellers are 0 right now. I'm about to see something else. What else we got? See right here. ES. Are they gonna give us the opportunity to go long? Nah, they taking off. I want to see a retracement. If we can get that retracement right here and go long, I'm taking it. Give us that retracement. Please give me that nice move. I want to get that discount. Give me that discount. Yeah, manipulation definitely about to happen. I like how we not pushing down. Respecting this too. Oh, respect right here. Yes. What I was thinking right there is perfect. Hey, give me a push. Give me this. I'm taking it. And I'm gonna try my best to hold it. Please. Give me that spot. That would be nice though. I don't like how the cells are not dried up on the 15-minute. I don't like that. Oh man, what is this? We didn't even tap it. Yo, we didn't even touch it. Look at that. You got all this. You telling me you got all this gap? Oh wait, hold on. I think this is it. Put my stop below the lows. Right here. See if we can get that push. Tricky one, tricky one. Three minutes on that. Got to close above. I want to stop. I want a tight stop right here. Tight stop of 5 right here. I'm gonna do 5 right here. I want to see us tick this out. Make my stop tight right back above. Let's go. See if we can get that push up. Continuation. All right, we out 5. Put my stop at break even. A lot of liquidity right here. See what happens right here. Big sell off. Big sell off. Big sell off right here, of course. Wow. Put my stop down a little bit. I want to hold my stop underneath this. I'm gonna lose 25 on that. Yes, please give us that break. We get that break. I'm gonna stop at break even. I'm not about to risk that. Take that. Close. Took out some liquidity. Came back on a swing. Going for these highs. Nice pump. Good job, Kingdom. Good job, Kingdom. So what happens right here? Get rid of this line. I'm gonna get rid of all these little lines. I want to get rid of all this noise. Shoo! This market choppy, boy. This market. Market ain't trying to give. Trying to look at the time, make sure our time frame got a minute left on the 15-minute. Ah, man, I don't like that. I don't like that. Minute left on the 15-minute is criminal. 3-minute push. Can we get that push? Can we get that follow through? 50 seconds on that 15-minute. I gotta watch this closely at this resistance level. Let me go back. My kid's over there out there bouncing on the walls. Look at the 15-minute one more time. 30 seconds to the 15-minute close. If the 15-minute don't push in the next, in the next 5 seconds, I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out. Can we get that push? I might have to get out. We're getting rejection. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm fully out. I'm fully out. I'm fully out. 15 minutes about to print without the push. I'm gonna see if I can get back into this trade. 15 minutes just printed. And here comes the drop. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. My kids are going crazy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, so we up 210. 220, I mean. My kids are crazy, y'all. Crazy. What is happening right here? 15 minutes just printed. Let me straighten this out. I think I chopped this up a little bit too much. Let me straighten this out. Right there. Like that. Put this in the back. Make this on a 1 minute, maybe I can see it better. Actually, let me put this up right here. And put this right here. I think that's a lot more cleaner. A lot more cleaner to see a better break. Right here, I like that. 5 minute. Let's see if we can tap into this fair value gap down here and then have a continuation to go long. If not, then, you know, I gotta watch out. Got these zones set. Just in case. Also, let's see, we got zones on the ES. It'd be nice to see us. Oh, we breaking? Nah. Break a structure. Break a structure. That means they don't want to see no. Okay, let's see the breaker structure. If we can get that breaker structure, you'll know what's going on. Get these two. I would like to see these two. You're taking out. God, come on, bro. Come on, please spare me some peace with this. Computer just chip chopping. All right, just give me some peace, bro. Come, give me some peace, bro. Yeah, we got one break. I mean, it's cute and all, but it's not my cup of tea. Can it be a continuation? Let's see. Look at ES. Oof, man, I don't like that move. 30 minute. This could be a push. 2 longs. I just gotta find my. I want to find my way in this some way, somehow. I just need to find my way. I don't know if I gotta wait for a rejection. I'm just trying to see it right now. We got the break on NQ, but we didn't get the break on ES. That's a red flag. We also got the 5 minute respect right here. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Hey, yo. Hold up. Uh-oh, 5 minute right here. Not 5 minute. 1 minute right here. Just in case. Just in case. Get rid of all this nonsense. I need to get rid of all this nonsense before I take this trade. Hop. Get rid of this red line. What is this right here? Hold up. Get rid of. We at the half point. Get rid of that. That. And 5 minute on ES. 1 minute on NQ. All right. Let's see. Look at the footprints. See if we can get a nice trade off this, what I have right now. Hold on, y'all. My dog's calling me. I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. Can we get this pop? This pop looks so odd right now on the footprints. I'm going to 5 minute. All right, 5 minutes just printed. Is this a continuation, or are we gonna get the fake out and go to short? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me a second. My daughter called me. Okay, we back. Sorry for getting up like a million times. That's what happens when kids want you. All right, what we doing? Come on, ES and Q, what we doing? Getting a little rough over here, y'all. Eight minutes left until this 1 hour closes. Can we stay above this? Are we able to? No, no, here gonna drop. I mean, it was a nice break of structure, but it's not holding. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We just gotta be patient. Thought we had the 5 minute break of structure, but nah, it didn't want to give us that. This would have been a better higher to look at. That's a tough spot. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is a tough spot. Might get that pump right now. I don't like it. I don't like it, coach. It is Friday. Remember that. It's Friday. Gotta be careful. I say it every time. What am I missing? What am I not seeing? What is it that I'm not seeing? The 5 minute didn't get the pass? This don't even look short. I mean, this could be short, but this doesn't look short. I think I gotta wait for that 15 minute to print. I guess once we wait till that 15 minute prints, we probably can get our trade. Oh shoot. Once we get that print on that next candle, we probably can get our trade. Just on a 5 minute. Rangy, trappy. Trappy, rangy, trappy. Come on, give us the trade. And we really don't got no news, so we gotta be careful on our trades, y'all. This might be it. Might have to just accept what I got now and call it a day. Cause remember, we ain't got no other news. That's it. That's it for the day. That might be it for the day, y'all. Might just gonna have to might just gonna have to accept what we got and call it a day. But yeah, that 1 hour closes in 1 minute. I mean, in 4 minutes. So we got a couple more minutes until these candles close, and we're gonna see. Yeah. Yeah. Just gotta wait. I might get off in a few. Go play with these kids. I know they miss me. At least we made 220. You know, I'm not mad at it. At least we made 220. I had to get all. I got out of that trade that I was just in because we didn't get that close. It wasn't a good close. It started drying up real quick. So I got out of the trade real fast. Man, look how we sideways and oh my goodness, bro. What is this? What is going on? Couple more minutes. Couple more minutes, and then we got 4 more minutes, and then everything. I mean, the 1 hour and down will reset, and we can see where this market may go. Excuse me. Buyers and sellers on the books are ping-ponging, tugging and pulling on each other. I don't see no clear directional footprints. A lot of fake outs. Looks like sellers. Nah. I don't know, y'all. I'm about to just sit on hands and be patient. This range right now is a lot of tugging. All right, so ES just dropped, right? ES just dropped on a 5 minute. You came right back into that fair value gap. We tapped into that 1 minute demand, right? Nice 1 minute demand tap. Can we stay above this and continue to push long? Look at ES. Let's see what NQ can do. Let's see if NQ. I don't know why I keep thinking that. Let's see if NQ can continue to hold this area and then go long. How many minutes we got left? Actually, we got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes until these candles print. See? Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. We're gonna wait. Let's wait till these candles print first. Once these candles print first, then I might take. What up? What up, Daniel? Yeah, man, we took a little trade in this chop, man. We chop trading. We ain't really got no news, so don't expect no big moves probably today. That big move we only had was this morning, and that wasn't even a big move. Soon as 8 o'clock hit right here, boom, we had this big move right here. But to me, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that to that 1 hour. Should have took it, but oh well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, gotta be patient, y'all. Look at these wicks. These wicks are just as big as these candles. Even though you might say, oh, this might be a pump. These wicks are just, they're not good, bro. These wicks ain't it. Look at all these wicks. That ain't it. Yeah, I might have to call it a day, y'all. We got 50 seconds left. 50 seconds left until these candles print. We ain't got no news today. We already tapped into some liquidity on ES. This looks sideways. We're just gonna have to sit out. Look at 1 hour. 1 hour pump, of course. Look, we had the break, got the 1 hour. We test right here maybe. And go long. Hold up. Wait a minute. Can we bounce off this area? Can we bounce? Can this be a bounce area? Let's see. Can this be a bounce? Can this be a bounce? 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Can this be a bounce? All right, I might get off, y'all. This looks choppy. Look at 1 hour. Look at a 4 hour too. Yeah, this looks choppy. This looks choppy. Shorts coming in, maybe? Yeah, this is choppy. Well, yeah. Nah. They out there wrestling back there? Secure profits. Might have to do the big thing, the big one. Even though we did good. At least we green on the day. We are green on the day. I'm proud of ourselves. Yeah. Not liking this range. Yeah. And watch when we get off. Watch when we get off. Then you go see that big pop. Or that big drop. Yeah, it's not deciding which way. Yeah. Yeah, accumulation. We're not breaking this range. I like how we're building up right here. Look at this. You see this right here? You see this how we're respecting this on the blocks? I like that for the longs. I'm surprised we haven't tapped into this just yet. Wish we could. So look, I have 2 spots. Confirmation. What's all the confirmation? Right here, a bounce right here, right? Bounce. Also ES. Also ES, a bounce right here off this high, right? I like that. That's confirmation, right? 15-minute respect. 15-minute respect. I like that, right? Also, how we building up and the sellers can't come in. I like that, right? I like that. Also, we're building right here. Look at this building block. Look how the candles are constantly stacking. I like that. I like how we respected off of on the 1 minute demand zone. I like that for the longs, right? That's another confirmation. Respect. I like this. This is all respect. But can we move sideways? Yes, we can. Can we come back into this zone right here, this fair value gap? Yes, we can. So even though I'm not gonna force a trade, I'm gonna have to get off and just accept that I've missed the trade. So other than that, y'all, I hope y'all see what I'm seeing. Look at this right here. It's stacking right here. Stack. Stack. Change the color. Let me go back. I think my kids are fighting. Stacking right here. We might come back into this and bounce and go long. We're gonna see. Yeah. Well, other than that, y'all, I hope y'all really have a good day. I'm about to head out. I really hope y'all have a good day. Kingdom, oh man, we do live to trade another day. Gotta secure them profits. And how we gonna do that? We're going to secure the profits by doing this. I'm locking out. That's it. We out, bro. We out. It's Friday. I guess go spend time with y'all families. Go do what you go do. Go touch grass. I'm about to go touch grass. Even if it's pumping. We out. Stacking, bounce, longs. Right here too. Also, look at the fair value you got right here. Stacking. I like that. Wicks are pushing it up. We're not breaking below this red candle. But we might come right down. But other than that, y'all, be careful out there. Don't overtrade. I pray that y'all have a great weekend. God bless y'all. Also, let's get back to that scripture because that's most important. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord himself is the rock eternal. Remember, you're going to build your foundation on rock, which is God. Build your foundation on rock, give it to the Lord. You're going to have perfect peace when you give yourself to the Lord. Okay? Always, you triumph for yourself. Pray to him. Pray to God. Pray to Jesus and say, you know what? God, I need your help. And watch him come. Right? Mark chapter 8, verse 34. Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves. So deny yourself. Deny yourself as in your vanities, your lying, your stealing, your cheating, your cursing. Deny yourself. Deny all of the bad stuff about yourself. Selfish ways, greed. Deny yourself. If you want to be Jesus' disciple, deny yourself, pick up your cross and follow him. You got to pick up your cross daily, every single day, because every day you're going to sin. Every day I'm going to sin. But I got to continue to pick up my cross, talk to God, repent, ask for forgiveness, continue to help me and guide me in my path. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it. If you're trying your best to save your life, like when I was doing YouTube, when I was doing my pranks every day, I was trying my best to keep the lifestyle, save my life, constantly keep it, trying to live that lifestyle. And I was trying to save it, but I eventually was losing it. And I couldn't understand. Me trying to follow God but save my life, I was losing the lifestyle. But whoever so loses their life for his name's sake, for the gospel will save it. So if you lose your life for God's sake, you say, you know what, God, I'm giving it up. I'm not saying live on the street. What I'm saying is give up the things that you desire so heavily and give it to him, and he will align it for you. Doesn't mean that you're going to lose it all. It just means that instead of leaning on your own understanding, give it to God for understanding, for wisdom, right? Give it to God for wisdom. Give it to God for discernment. Give it to God for understanding, so he can align it for you, so you can walk in his path, and you'll be having a foundation on rock, right? If you try to keep your life, you will lose it. But if you lose your life and say, you know what, I'm gonna give it up. I'm going to start doing better. I'm going to stop doing these bad things. I'm going to start working towards having a relationship with Jesus and have a relationship with God. And you will find your life. He will make sure that your life works out every single time. The words are true. Remember, in the beginning was the word. You guys touch, hear, sound, taste, all of these senses. But without what is anything without word? What is anything without the word? A mouse, a phone. Nothing will be here without that word. The words are true. You have good and evil. The words are true. So stick to the word. Stick to things that are holy. God commanded us to be holy. So we do our best to be holy. I'm going to go tend to these kids because they are screaming back there. And I'm going to try my best to not lose my temper with them. But I pray that y'all have a blessed weekend. And